This stitch pattern is a 7-stitch repeat plus 2 stitches. So I've got 4 repeats on here. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30. So I've casted on 30 stitches for this sample. And it's a super easy 4-row repeat. Let's get started. Row 1. Purl 2. Knit 2 together. Yarn over. Knit 1. Yarn over. SKP. An SKP is just slip 1 knitwise, knit 1, and then pass that slipped stitch over. Just like that. And then we'll repeat. Purl 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SKP. And repeat that. Purl 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SKP. Repeat that for the last time. Purl 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SKP, and the last 2 stitches, purl 2. Row 2 is just knitting the knits and purling the purls, including the yarn overs. So we'll knit 2, purl 5, which is just purling the purls as well as the yarn overs, and repeat that. Knit 2, row 3, purl 2, knit 5, and repeat that. Purl 2, knit 5, purl 2, knit 5, and last time purl 2, knit 5, and we will purl the last 2 stitches. Row 4 is just like row 2, and it's knit the knits and purl the purls.